Hi there, Holistretch fam. Welcome to a Holistretch video. My name is Frances Eve, and today we get to practice in the beautiful Sri Lanka. And what we're going to be practicing today is tonal activation so that you may begin to connect with the earth, that you may begin to connect with your higher self, that you may begin to connect with your truth. And my wish for you that after this video, you feel connected, grounded, you feel a bit less tense, a bit less anxious, and you feel empowered. All of these energy centers have a resonance, and we're going to go through the resonance of the various chakras by verbalizing our vowels. So A, E, O, U. These particular chakras have particular vowel sounds. The root is like huh. The sacral is like book. The solar plexus is O, like soul. The A is heart. A is like after. It's an after. A. The throat is I, like I. The A as egg is third chakra. Crown is E. Now, as we hear the sounds, we're going to match our vocal toning to the sounds. Feel free to move through any of the different chakra vibrations at any given time. So you can move from the crown down to the heart. And then all the way to the sacral. To third eye. To root. If you're ready, let's take a few deep breaths in through the nose, out through the mouth, relax the belly, in through the nose, out through the mouth, relax the belly. And we can do a few alternate nostril breathing before we begin, just to help balance out our body. Remember, the work that we will be doing can be very potent, so have patience with yourself, laugh at yourself, just don't take it too seriously. But really, to connect into those sounds, just go where the body wants to go, not what you think sounds right. Just wherever the body wants to go. So even if it sounds weird or off, I recommend that you go there and go to those places that feel uncomfortable in your voice, because the throat vibrates out any vibration of what you're holding on to. So any patterns you're holding on to, you can release the sounds of your vibration, the vibration of your throat. So we're going to start with alternate nostril breathing. You can go ahead and take your fingers. You're going to use your thumb to close your right nostril as you inhale through the left, and then exhale through the right, pressing with the ring finger. Okay? Here we go. Begin. We're going to do 4. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Ready? Inhale for 4. And switch. 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 Last time. Exhale. 4. Okay. Let's our practice with 3 ohms. Om connects us to the heart center to release and clear and connect back to love.